Sabana DHR Group was born from a family legacy, today with almost 3 decades, after a dream of creating a company and, with perseverance and great dedication. Consolidate firm and lasting foundations. This experience and convincing make US today a leading business group in the glass and aluminum industry. Our challenges led US to become one of the leading importers in Europe and Asia, with one of the largest and most complete glass and aluminum logistics companies in the country, with over 20,000 square meters of storage and production space, processing glass with high-tech European machinery, and strict national and international quality guidelines. Our dreams keep growing. All our experience in the market led US to evolve our production cycle. Carpintec Sabana was born. We continue with our challenge in the manufacture and installation of architectural carpentry for residential, institutional, and high-impact projects. Our comprehensive philosophy is to offer high-quality products and practices that result in trouble-free after-sales projects. Making large-scale projected reality, from VIP VIS institutional facade and specialized premium projects. A fundamental part of our success is a great team of employees who participate in the growth of this legacy, highly trained and committed staff, whose great strength is their technical knowledge of our products and all national and international standards. Providing our clients with comprehensive support services from the initial idea and design to the implementation and delivery of each project to make it a successful experience. Carpintec Sabana, an architectural carpentry company. Join the Sabana DHR Group. We are committed to doing our part with sustainable and environmentally friendly practices, generating employment and growth for our country, opening international borders so that our legacy, now in 3 generations, continues for many more, positively impacting society and industry. Carpintec Sabana, leaders in architectural carpentry. We build dreams. We make them reality.